School of Business Management, Bombay, has got a legacy of about 40 years. It has always been known for having innovative pedagogy and time-tested methods of teaching and learning. The most unique thing that is separating SBM from many other schools is the insistence on the teaching learning methods and what we call as assurance of learning, and the commitment to provide a consistent industry interface and developing students to be employable and job ready. This is something very unique about School of Business Management. And in our journey to provide career advancement and career placement to the students, we have our loyal recruiters as trusted partners. Since the time we tied up with GMAT and using NMAT as the initial admission test, all our MBA programs, that is the MBA flagship program, MBA HR program, MBA Pharma Management, and MBA DSA, we use NMAT as the test for admission selection at NMIMS year on year. This has helped us to maintain transparency in the market, and NMAT as a test, which is the most appropriate kind of an admission test, is very well acknowledged by the aspirants as well as the schools which have accepted GMAT by NMAT as a test for admitting the students to their MBA programs. We look for candidates who are very focused on grooming themselves as managers and with an aspiration to enter into corporates and emerge as leaders in the corporate. We have our illustrious alumnus who have proven several times that they are the best in the corporates, and at this point in time, we are very proud to share with everybody that we have a large kind of a body of alumni members who are CEOs in the corporates. So an aspirant who wants to enter into any of the MBA programs at NMIMS should be focused on working very hard, having the kind of relevant exposure to the companies, and as a fresher, the right kind of an attitude with the conviction to work hard to earn the MBA once he enters the program, he or she enters the program. Sitting for the NMAT examination, no candidate can enter into our MBA programs for that particular year. So it is a bare essential step for anybody who aspires to get admitted into the MBA programs of School of Business Management, Mumbai. So if you don't have an NMAT score, you're not eligible. So the most important criteria for eligibility, apart from fulfilling that he or she should be a graduate, they should have certain minimum percentage, passing percentage, etc. You have an NMAT score, you are in for the selection process. You don't have an NMAT score, you are not eligible to enter into the MBA program. NMAT has got 3 different sections which are important to ensure that the basic minimum requirement in terms of logical reasoning, in terms of quantitative abilities, in terms of English language comprehension, etc. So this kind of a screening definitely is important for us to groom the candidate for once they enter into the program. So to that extent, I would say that NMAT has got certain robustness as a testing mechanism to ensure that the cream or among the candidates who choose to take NMAT, they are able to identify, and it's not easy to score higher scores in NMAT. Therefore, automatically the first level of screening takes place when a candidate takes NMAT and when we decide the cutoff. So to that extent, it is important for candidates to be very, very focused and do well in the NMAT. We are very proud that we are able to provide NMAT as a mechanism to provide an opportunity for a large pool of aspirants to take up the admission test for higher education. We are very proud about it. That's number one. Number two is look at the way in which NMAT test is getting recognized across various business schools in the Asia Pacific region. That is also a testimony to the fact that the test results and the outcome of the caliber of students is a reassurance that this is one national as well as international test which is trustworthy, reliable, and it provides an opportunity for a candidate to be relevant for the market beyond even some of the very well-known tests like CAT or XAT, etc.